I can see my keyboard. 3, 2, 1. Okay, and now I am ready. Ready? No, that's how you spell return. It goes turn like that, and then we do this, and now we do ENT for enter. Up here we're gonna do DEF. E and D for enter, word for enter. That's how we're gonna be doing it. And now we're gonna do this. EEF. No, we need to do this for event. Now we're gonna do. Now we need, first of all, we need to make an entry box. Global entry user equal entry box root. Now we have to do this. Copy this right here. Make sure that this is exactly what we need it to be. Okay, now we're gonna do dot grid right here. Now we're really gonna do anything because this is all gonna be right here. Now, of course, this is gonna open up everything. So now this software is gonna be really easy. So now right here. Oh crap! Sorry, my bad. Now we're going to do entry user dot get. Well, now we're gonna make sure that this is user equal. And now over here we are going to do if statement. User, just gotta make sure that mic's working, otherwise I'm gonna have to restart. I don't wanna have to go way too far. Equal. Now what we're gonna do it's gonna be, now of course since this is gonna be like an AI they're gonna talk to, this is gonna be Google. I'm also gonna make a second one just in case people want to capitalize it too. Because this offer will be going up on my GitHub. So if you're if you have anybody that's an old person that could use this, really lovely. This should also be upgraded. Web browser dot open new tab. Now we want to go over to Google. Now you just can't type google.com, because if you type google.com, it will sadly bring you to Microsoft Edge, and you don't want to go to Microsoft Edge, especially because sometimes yeah. So right here you want to copy this. Now this actually brings you to like actual Google. Crap. I forgot to put in the hashtag, so we're gonna do this. It's right here. Do this. Now that's not working because it's right over here. Boom. Crap. I hit B instead of V. Now since this is working, now all you gotta do is just like Google, and then opens Google. Now you see that you want to do YouTube. We're just gonna copy and paste this. If crap. It's basically just a simple if statement. Now we're gonna change this to YouTube. And now we're gonna, of course, copy this 3 times just in case we have any people that misspell it. Okay, so now since this is a professional software, it's gonna be if you type it the correct way or an incorrect way. Because if I'm typing really fast and I want to learn my capitals, I may type the Y, but not the T. So now we have this plain YouTube. So now, okay, I'm gonna make this a little bit more better for understanding. I'm gonna copy this to the front. So if you are trying to copy off my source code, it's easier to understand that this is the first YouTube, no spelling. They're just all lowercase, first letters capitalized, and boom. Okay, it's just easier to understand. Now, of course, I'm gonna test it. I'm just gonna test it to see if it works. Doesn't work, then there's a problem. I'm also gonna take off a minute because we have a minute of delay. No, I'm also gonna take off 50 seconds at the end. Why? Well, because my laptop is slow, so sometimes it's because of the slowness. Works. Now, see, I'm gonna take off 50 seconds because it is going to cause lag. So we need to go to youtube.com. We need to click on this, click off, click back on it. B, we got the X out. Now we just gotta copy this right over here. I meant to say fuck. Fuck. Wait. Opens Google. We have an error. Capitals do not matter. We actually have a huge error. Capitals do matter. Wait. Oh, fuck. That's not my bad. Now, I'm only gonna take off, not because I did any spelling errors. I'm only gonna take off the time that was wasted because of my slow laptop. I'm gonna take off a minute because there's a minute of my slow laptop trying to run it. Okay, now it's good. Now, of course, sometimes a small video turns out to a big production. Okay, now we have it where you can open Google. Now yesterday you had to open up work. I have a smart idea. So this is how you're gonna add something. I'm gonna add to where you can add your own website. Now there aren't any rules, so I'm gonna grab code from another software. App. Wait. Oh, oh, that's right. It's in. Oh, that's right. It's in. Oh, that's right. It's inside junk shit. I forgot that stuff that is a failed abortion, aka something that failed, aka my 130th line attempt to make something that's gonna help me brutally fail because it doesn't work. Okay, so now what I'm looking for here is this. No, no, no. I'm looking for this. Now I'm also doing something else. It's going to be called entry user add. Now the business is going to be coming into place right here. Now entry user add. My dad just pulled up, so I'm waking off the mic because since it's 6:12, he's gonna be walking in. I'm gonna pause the timer. Actually, I'm not gonna pause the timer. I'm just gonna put on my sweatshirt because I'm a little bit overweight and I make us hear about my weight. But since genetics, I can't lose weight. Too much information. I have ADHD. Okay, now I'm ready to go back. Okay, so user add, entry user add. So now column 2. No, okay, so it's gonna be row 2. Row equals 2. Column equals 0. Wait. Column equals 0. Now, if I'm correct, I'm gonna need to make a frame, or it's not gonna work out. If I'm correct, until I hit enter, they're gonna be like this. Okay, and now I'm correct. Oh shit. Okay, well, this is part 1. See you for part 2.